This is WASSCE July, SSC July 2001, question 43. And this happened to be episode 39 of the series on static mechanics. So a block of mass 25 kg is placed on a plane inclined at an angle of 25 degrees to the horizontal. As we can see, we are to, if the block did not slide down the plane, we are to calculate the frictional force acting on the body. You know, we can draw this diagram or sketch. If I have this as the force and this being the weight, which is going to be mg. There's a downward force here, which is mg cos theta, and there is an upward force here, which we call the normal reaction. This is the friction, and this is the force of gravity pulling the body down, which is also mg sine what? Theta. So you can see that if the body is completely still on the angle here is what? 25 degrees. It's completely still on the incline. If it is not moving, this force is pulling down. And that force is what? Trying to prevent it. Frictional force is the prevention force. So it's preventing it. So the body will still be there if the frictional force equals to the downward force. So here we are looking for that frictional force, meaning the frictional force is just equals to mg sine what? Theta. And that theta is the angle 25 we have there. You could have been mg sine 25, mg cos 25 all along. All right. Now what do? We just do substitution, and the mg here is the weight of the body. The w is the weight, which is the mass of the body times the gravity. So I'll only have the mass as 25, the gravity is 10, we have been given. Then the sine of the angle 25 degree. This is 250 sine 25 degree. Let's put all in our calculator and see the value of that. And I'll be giving you 105.64 force. So we have what? Newton. This is just the value of the frictional force that is keeping the body from sliding down. When the body begins to slide down, it means the force here is greater than what? The frictional force. That is the only way the body will slide down. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget, there are a series of episodes we've done on this. You can check them out in the playlist. Then keep yourself abreast. Share, comment, and subscribe.